Hello, it's Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's April 5th here, 2023. Just coming at you with an update from IBOTS.io. It's a protocol that I did a review on just shortly ago. I'm just looking at getting that video posted here right away, and this one should come out pretty soon as well. As I mentioned in my first video, just a new entry for me in this IBOTS, which is a FOREX and crypto AI trading bot service. You just put the money in and they trade it for you. I put in $750 into this protocol and just kind of wanted to update that one for you and see how things are going. And there's a couple of the things that I'd like to get into as well. So getting over to my account here, as I said, I put in $750 into this protocol. The first day of April now is my month here, so they can see that they just got under 1% for their first day of trading. Today, there looks like there has been no profits, so sometimes when they don't have profits, or maybe they haven't dropped it in here, that there's no update on April 5th, which is fine. But as you can see here, my $750, they got a value of just under $6, $5.85. So a nice return. And if you recall from my first video, just look up that at the end. There's a maintenance fee of 1% on this protocol. So they've covered the maintenance fee. So everything here forward for the rest of the month is going to be, money I'm making in the bank. So looking forward to that. So they had a great start to the month. And here's the maintenance countdown counter here over on the right in the upper corner at 26 days, 12 hours. So when that runs down, they take 1% out of my earnings, or if you don't have it in your earnings, they'll take out of that my bot value. So make sure you leave some money in your earnings, and you can compound the funds here for $50 or more. So they've recently lowered that from 250. So it is an initial 250 to get in, and then you can upgrade it or update it for 250 if you would like. So get into that and definitely go forward when you're looking forward. I like this protocol. Now, a couple of things that I wanted to get into on the IBOTS protocol. Sorry, I want to actually go back to their Discord. As you can see here, one other update that I do have, IBOTS is coming out with a Visa card, so you can actually utilize your earnings that you're making on this Visa card. So they have a prepaid card coming out in about 1 to 2 weeks. So looking forward to that. Should be a good thing, and you can utilize your profits and balances. This is a non-KYC card, so you just go in. It's a virtual prepaid debit. So you get in there and you can use it anywhere that Visa is accepted. So you can go online, stores like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and one of the owners here said he tried it at the grocery store and it works smoothly. So you can load the card with your earnings, with your MyBots value, so you can even utilize that. The protocol takes about 24 hours to get your money out, so if you want to use it on this virtual Visa, I haven't tried it yet. Looking forward to possibly using it when that comes out. So right now, you can put a minimum of $50 on there and a maximum of $500. And again, it's non-KYC'd, and if you want, they're looking at raising the maximum up to 5,000. But right now, $500, which will allow you to get some spending, I guess, personally, and utilizing some of these profits that you're making. And that's a good way to do it. And I've seen partly some other cards that talk about this $5,000 value, and that seems to be kind of one of the upper ends for non-KYC. So if you're looking at that, to me, I'm neither here nor there. I'm okay paying my taxes and go forward because I don't really want the 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 Canada Revenue Agency coming after me here in Canada, where I'm from. So for whatever it's worth, for me, it's just an easier way to off ramp, get money off. So if I want to utilize it, I know recently we did a family trip down to the States, and I would have loved to use some of my USD rather than transferring some of my Canadian dollars over it. It cost me $1.35 to get $1 US. So this is a great piece for me, and always looking for ways to off ramp money and check out the value and the cost of that. They didn't give a whole lot of detail on what the cost for it would be for this, so maybe that'll be a further update down the road. So excited about that one, and looking forward to the returns that we're getting in iBots. Like say they're looking 1 to 15% over the month, so they've already almost hit their 1%, and that should be exciting as we go through the rest of the month. I'll give you a few more updates here, maybe weekly or so when they're needed. Thanks for joining. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.